Hello guys, welcome. I'm Jace and I'm going to teach you how to factory reset Vidda C1S in this video. First of all, press menu button on the remote control. Go to About. Then click on Restore Default. Uncheck the box and select the Restore button. For your information, my projector is Hisense Vidda C1S, but it should work on Vidda C1, C1 Pro, and C1 Air too. They are using the same hardware and OS. It will take some time to delete everything. After that, your projector will have a clean OS just like the new one. That's all for now. See ya!